Artificial intelligence, or AI, gets chucked around a lot these days. You might even be bored hearing about it. Everyone talks about it, but can it actually make your life easier? Well, in this video, we'll break down 4 things you can start doing today that will save you time and headache. The following table shows how many months it took various digital platforms to reach 100 million users. You'll probably recognize all of these. For example, Uber, which took just 70 months, or 6 years, to get from 0 to 100 million users. Impressive, right? Well, not as impressive as TikTok, which took just 9 months. However, this pales in comparison to ChatGPT, with a staggering 2 months to go from 0 to 100 million users. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Writing. We've all spent too long proofreading an important email. The higher the stakes, the more edits we make. But AI can make this easier. Once you've drafted your email, copy and paste it into an AI chatbot. Then, before the text, type something like, "Without changing the tone or style, please correct any spelling or grammar errors." Give it a quick read, and if you're happy, it's ready to send. You can also ask it to tweak the tone and structure, but just be careful, it might end up sounding nothing like you, which can come across as inauthentic. 2. Reading. Whether it's a contract or a long email chain, AI can summarize, analyze, and make recommendations based on the information you provide it. You can upload PDFs and ask specific questions like, "Can you explain the termination clause?" Or, "What's the payment timeline?" Just be cautious. AI may guess when it's unsure, due to language models being a form of predictive text. A good trick is to ask it to reference the original document, for example, contract clauses, so you can then easily double-check the source. This also works for summarizing long email chains you've been copied into last minute. Just paste the chain into the chatbot and ask for a summary. You could say, "Summarize this email and list out potential actions for me." 3. Learning. If you need to look up a word, a quick Google search gives you a definition in seconds. But when it comes to understanding a concept or complex process, that's where AI chatbots really shine. Take CVRs for example. You could start with, "What is a CVR in construction?" You could then ask for references of cost and value, or even ask it to run a hypothetical CVR for a road resurfacing project, outlining each step in detail. A good tip when using AI to learn something new is to ask it to include references. You can then click on those links and validate the answers. If you're chartered or working towards becoming chartered, you'll know that private study can be booked as informal CPD. However, if you're looking for formal CPD, you should check out Metroun.co.uk, where you can sign up and have access to over 50 hours of formal CPD. 4. Doing. We've kept this one vague because the possibilities are endless. Whether you've got IT issues, need help with an Excel formula, or want to write some code, AI can guide you step by step, or, in the case of coding or Excel formulas, even do it for you. Sometimes, it might suggest you click a button you can't find, or provide a formula that doesn't work. Don't be disheartened. Just reply with the issue, and it will try to work around it. Think of it like having a conversation with someone. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe so you never miss our weekly upload? Also, if you'd like to help us out, please consider clicking the like button. It really does help our channel grow. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.